These site liaisons will go out, meet with new investigators and or existing investigators, discuss upcoming studies, so maybe months or even sometimes a year out, and make suggestions about, hey, would you be interested in participating? We have the synopsis of the study. Do you think you can have patients? Would your patients be interested in this study? This is the way site feasibility should actually be done. And in the past, we've had it done by CROs who are still doing it. They still play a very important role in this. But the sponsors kind of take better care of this aspect. I think if you polled, the majority of sites would agree with me. The sponsors do a better job at feasibility than CROs. The CROs are doing it almost from a mechanical perspective of, we have to do this, so we document the surveys, and this is what the sites put, and this is what we're going to show the sponsors, and we might discount the site answers a little bit because most sites exaggerate. That was how the industry functioned. That's how the industry in many ways still functions in 2025. But I think these sponsor liaisons are getting a lot better and doing a lot of a more effective job, quite frankly, at feasibility. So once all the sites are selected, and every protocol calls for a certain amount of patients. So they know beforehand, this is going to be a study. We're going to need 400 patients worldwide or nationwide in order to have enough of a population size to where we can have a result that's statistically significant. And this is what they look at. So you're talking about the biostats people are now in charge, and they work hand in hand. That's someone else I forgot to mention. They work hand in hand with the medical writers and the protocol development personnel. So biostats super important because at the end of the day, this industry is about statistics, numbers, and proving things, confidence intervals, p-values, things like that. You don't need to know what those are now if you don't, but you should Google them and figure it out. AI is amazing at that, by the way, better than Google. Now, contract and budget. So let's say all the sites are selected. Let's say the sponsor wanted 400 sites, 400 patients.